Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are again out in the shop, and the last video that I had last time y'all were here, we were painting the roll cage after getting it back from Alex's shop, and I had mentioned that the power trunk pull down motor and all that stuff was just absolutely shot and garbage in here. So to recap, this should not be wobbling around like that. Anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to remove all the power motor and all that stuff and leave only the latch. And what we're going to do with that is, I got this solution from Brent Sands. He's Brent at work. He's one of the engineers. Anyways, he's got a video on where he mentioned it, where he had done something similar on the blue car before that one got wrecked, and he's doing the same thing on the red car. Anyways, he made up this bracket. If you'd like, check out his channel. It is Sands Garage. Anyways, Brent modeled this up in CAD, this bracket here, and then he sent it out to Send Cut Send, and then you will just bend it on each of these score marks. First step in all that though, anyways, is to get the old latch mechanism out. So we're gonna go ahead and do a time lapse and show you that process. All right, real quick, while we got this time lapse going on here, new release, new products. I've got stickers and shirts. You can stick them on your fuel jugs to let the whole world know you run the finest corn alcohol fuel made in the Midwest. If you guys like them, you can pick the shirts and the stickers up on the store, Trailer Park Motorsports, my Shopify. Link will be down in the description. Get them today. All right, so the next step in here is you need to drill out the 4 rivets. You need to drill out 4 rivets that hold the latch mechanism to the pull down mechanism. Once we've got that done and the latch is free, the next step is to take the bracket and bend it. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the CAD drawing from Brent, and you guys can see what I'm working with. All right, so here we got the new manual bracket is just about ready to go back in the car. After I folded each one like you saw, first on the sheet metal brake and then in the vise, I went ahead and laid a weld in here just to give that a little bit more beef, and then hit it with what was left over of the chassis and roll bar paint from doing the roll cage. So that's what's going in. This is everything that came out. So we've got the motor, the tracks, all that stuff. the factory relay and whatnot. Anyways, this is lighter than this, simpler. Anyways, I didn't do it for the weight reduction, although it is nice. Anyways, all that's left is to get this bolted back in, and like when doing any kind of body work, it may take a little bit of adjustment. You may not get it first time. Let's see if I can do that. Okay, so with a little adjustment, we got it working here. Trunk goes up, or hatch goes up rather, not a trunk. Trunk stays down and latched. So, quick project, didn't take too long, lost a little bit of weight, made things a little bit simpler. Again, I got it from Brent over at Sands Garage. He's a friend of mine, co-worker, and we both work at Motion together. Anyways, give him a follow if you want. Hit him up. He does have a couple more of these. I don't know if he's going to use them for personal use or if he's looking at selling them. Anyways, thanks for watching. That's going to do it for this one. I do have quite a bit more in store. Like I was talking about, I've got the cam and intake swap. I've got the brakes to swap, and I've got a rewire to do.